Well, I guess this is a hello and welcome back to shoestring, well, to shoestring racing, I guess, because this will be our first video. Today, simple-ish one. We're just going to try and put 38s on the Discovery 2 here. Got them out on the trailer now, ready to bring in, fit up on some beadlocks we've got over there. See what it's going to take to put 38s on this rig. Here he is, proud owner of some 38-inch tyres. Look at him, he's so happy. This is what we've got, what he's gone for. 38, 12.5, 16 mud traps. Look at him, he's so excited, isn't he? Jesus. Reckon then?
God.
I'm speechless.
A lot of cutting.
I think they'll fit, won't they? They're not that much bigger. Oh no. They're huge.
You versus the guy who knows what works.
Oh, there's a tyre fitter.
Music licensing reimagined.
With all the bolts in at least. Get some kind of idea of size, can't we? If it's large, whatever size it is. That's fine, only 4 more to go. With air in. So, let's see what's. Oh god. I'm gonna assume we gotta go up. What do you reckon, Josh?
Seen the gap there?
Yeah, it's.
There is no gap.
We're gonna have to. I think we're gonna have to remove some material.
I used to worry about rear.
Your footwell's looking rather enticing for it as well, I think. But God, does it look cool? Are you happy with it? What do you reckon?
Oh, it's going to be so expensive.
Good God. Right, are you ready? good though. The clearance might be an issue, but better get the angry spanner on the go. It's bigger than Dot.
How?
They've been on for 5 minutes and we got the ripsaw out. Haven't you got new blades on that?
Yeah, we ain't worried about that.
Right, so 35s? 38s. 38s are on this one. And then we decided to do some Facebook marketplacing. And you can't even see him on the trailer. Oh no, we'll get him in the light. God, it's tall. Where is he? Are you happy? Yeah. So like I was saying, over in the darkness, we got another set of 38s for this shed. We were just going to jack it up, get them mounted. Yeah. La-di-da. You got big tires. So we're back, another day. He's just laughing at me. But got a bit late last night, so we packed up and went home. But let's have a look at this thing now. It's got its 38s on, it's out. There it is. We're gonna have to do some clearancing on it, especially out back end of things, because it is quite tight. But we totally glossed over the truck as well. So suspension wise, it is 2-inch block, 2-inch spring, and what are they? Are they +5 shocks? The terra firma adjustable plus whatever they are shocks. Christ, windy. We'll go on this side. And then also he's running a 3-inch body lift, which is in there. So it makes it a 2, 4, I have to think about it. 7-inch body lift, 7-inch lift to fit these. I reckon we'll end up putting the 3-inch blocks in that we have in there, fitting it. But yeah, just a quick rundown on the truck. It is welded rear, centre locker, E-locker in the front, 8274 with, is it a bow motor? Bow motor on it? Bow motor, Delta Tech free air free spool, adrenaline arms, oversaw. Yeah. So next video I expect we'll start cutting some stuff and getting it actually usable, but they do fit. And it looks good too. He's playing with the 110 now. Putting on some party lights for his camp setup. Loving life. And then also on our parts run last night, we got another set of 38s for this truck. But there'll be another video on this, going through it another time. But yeah, another set of mud traps. Fit quite well. We just threw his spare wheel up there, see if we can mount one. Find a way to carry a spare around with us. Just kind of hidden the truck out of the wind so you can actually hear me. We're trying to sort the wind noise out with some microphones or something down the line. Doing our best with what we've got at the moment. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Tune in for the next installment of trying to get these 38s on Josh's truck, because they are huge and it's going to involve some proper cutting and maybe a bigger lift to a degree. But I'll put in some clips of what's to come. We've got a play day on the 1st, so there'll be some more footage of the challenge truck, and I've just watched it, so hopefully this week I'll be able to film a walk around of it and show you guys what we've done with the budget winch challenge truck that we're trying to build. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.